If you've been feeling like every flagship phone looks the same lately, you're not imagining it. Same camera bumps, same layout, same overall vibe, just a different logo slapped on the back. And if you've been waiting for something that actually feels different, this might be it. A new leak just surfaced, and it suggests the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra could be heading in a bold new design direction. What makes this especially interesting is the source, Ice Universe. If you follow Galaxy leaks, you already know that name carries serious weight. Their track record with Galaxy devices has been extremely accurate in the past. So when something like this appears, it's not just random concept art floating around online, it's worth paying attention to. And once you see what's being suggested here, you'll understand why this could be one of Samsung's most important design shifts in years. The biggest change revolves around the camera layout. Since the Galaxy S21 Ultra, Samsung has stuck with a familiar vertical lens arrangement. It became part of the Ultra identity, but according to this leak, that could be going away. Instead, the S27 Ultra might adopt a full-width horizontal camera bar stretching across the back of the phone. That's a dramatic departure from what we've seen recently. A design move like this wouldn't just tweak the look, it would completely redefine the phone's visual personality. When a company sticks with one layout for multiple generations and then suddenly pivots, that usually signals something bigger happening behind the scenes. And this shift feels deliberate. But the real question is what that bar actually looks like in practice. Based on the leaked images, the camera bar appears as a clean, pill-shaped strip running horizontally across the rear panel. It could either be finished in black or color-matched to the body, depending on the variant. And yes, the first comparison that comes to mind is Google's Pixel lineup. That horizontal camera bar has been part of Pixel's identity for a while now. At the same time, if you've been following Samsung long enough, this also brings back memories of older Galaxy designs like the S10 era, but modernized and simplified. This version looks cleaner, more intentional, less cluttered. Instead of multiple individual camera rings sticking out, everything feels consolidated into one cohesive element. It's minimal, but still bold, and that alone changes the entire presence of the device. Here's where things start to get a little unusual. In the leaked renders, it actually looks like there are fewer visible camera lenses compared to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That model had a more stacked, multi-lens appearance. On this new design, a couple of lenses seem to be missing at first glance. Now, that could mean Samsung is hiding components within the camera bar itself, integrating them more seamlessly. Or it could suggest a deeper shift in the camera system strategy altogether. Either way, it's noticeable. And when a company appears to reduce visible hardware on a device known for packing in features, it naturally raises questions. Are we looking at simplification, consolidation, or something more strategic happening internally? One possible explanation ties into something Galaxy phones have been trailing in: proper Qi 2 wireless charging support. If Samsung is redesigning the internal layout to better accommodate Qi 2, that camera shift might not just be cosmetic. A horizontal bar could allow more efficient internal spacing or structural adjustments needed for improved wireless charging implementation. That would mean this isn't simply about aesthetics, it's about functionality. Galaxy devices haven't fully embraced Qi 2 in the way some competitors have, so a redesign could be the right moment to fix that gap. When you see a major exterior change, it often reflects internal engineering decisions. And if that's the case here, this camera bar could represent more than just a visual refresh. Outside of the camera area, though, the rest of the phone seems fairly familiar. The overall shape remains consistent with the Ultra identity. Rounded corners, the same general footprint, and that unmistakable large screen presence are all still there. Importantly, the S Pen is reportedly staying. That's a big relief, especially considering there were rumors suggesting Samsung might eventually phase it out. For a lot of Ultra users, the S Pen isn't just a feature, it's part of the reason they choose this device in the first place. So keeping it reinforces that Samsung isn't abandoning what makes the Ultra lineup unique. They may be experimenting with design language, but they're not stripping away core functionality. Now let's talk about the camera hardware itself, because this is where things get even more interesting. The current Ultra models are undeniably powerful, but they're not flawless. One consistent criticism has been the 3x telephoto lens. It hasn't always delivered the strongest performance compared to the rest of the setup. According to Ice Universe, that 3x telephoto lens might be completely removed on the S27 Ultra. Not adjusted, not tweaked, gone. That's a significant decision. Removing a lens from an Ultra model isn't something Samsung would do casually. If this is accurate, it suggests a deliberate shift in how they want users to approach zoom photography, and that leads directly into what could replace it: